Hey guys, in this tutorial 2025, I'll show you how to add a checkbox to forms in Wix quickly and easily. First, log in to your Wix dashboard and open the site editor. Click on Forms and select the form you want to edit. Click Add New Field, then choose Checkbox from the field options. Type the label or question you want your users to see. You can add multiple options by clicking Add Option and entering each choice. Adjust field settings if you want the checkbox to be required or optional. Drag and drop the checkbox field to position it wherever you want in the form. Preview your form to make sure the checkbox appears correctly. Once satisfied, publish your site so the changes go live. And that's how to add a checkbox to forms in Wix 2025. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Wix tutorials.